Let's talk about 7 ways to avoid losing your green card status here in the United States of America. Hello, my name is John and welcome. So guys, you know that it's very hard to get a green card here in the United States of America. So once you get it, you need to protect it. It's very important to protect it so you don't lose it. And then, like I said, we're gonna cover 7 things you need to do or avoid to keep that green card. The first one is to stay on the right side of the law. So basically, follow the law once you come to United States of America and become a permanent resident. Maybe there are stuff you used to do in your home country. It's not punished by the law. Well, don't do the same thing here if that thing is punished by the law. Maybe sometime you don't know, but ask and see if it's something that is allowed before you do it. The second thing we're going to talk about, don't stay outside United States of America too long. So guys, as a permanent resident, if you travel outside United States of America, you know that you're going to stay, where you go for more than 6 months or even more than a year, it's better to apply for a re-entry permit before you leave, especially if you're going to stay for more than a year. Okay, but if you're going to stay less than that, like 3 months, 4 months, that's okay. But if you're going to be more than 6 months or more than a year, apply for a re-entry permit. That way the US government won't see you as somebody who abandoned his green card. Okay, so if you want to keep your green card, avoid that as possible as you can. The third one we're going to talk about is before we talk about that, if your spouse or your parent are preparing their immigrant visa interview, well, we have some ebooks that can help them with their interview questions. The links are in the description below. Now let's go back to the video. File your tax correctly. So when it's time to file your tax, make sure you file it correctly. If you don't know what to do, you need to get with tax expert so they can explain it to you, so they can file your tax for you. Don't provide false information when you filing your tax, because that can come back and bite you. You don't want that. And one thing you have to keep in mind is that when you have a green card and your intention is to become a US citizen in the future, you have to do the right thing. Okay, the fourth one I'm going to talk about is to keep your record clean. Okay, so that one's go back to follow the law, do the right thing, avoid domestic violence. So that can put you in jeopardy. Okay, if you have that on your record, that's not good. Avoid shoplifting. You go to the store, you see something that you like. If you don't have money, try to save money and go buy that thing. Don't try to steal it. If they catch you, that can damage your record, and you don't want that. So it's very important to keep your record clean. The fifth one we're going to talk about is to be careful on the stuff you put on your social media. Okay, well, you post something on social media, you don't know who will watch it. That thing can come back and bite you later on here in the United States of America. So be mindful about what you post on your social media. Don't think like, okay, nobody's watching. People are watching. Okay, so be careful. The sixth thing is to renew your green card on time. Okay, if it's time to renew your green card, renew it on time. So some of you guys who come to United States of America on CR1 visa, for example, who has a 2 years green card, make sure you renew your green card like 90 days before it expires, like I told you in one of my videos. So if you don't do that, you can lose your green card. You don't want that. And the seventh thing we're going to talk about is to consult an immigration lawyer. If you have like a serious issue, you don't know what to do, don't try to do it yourself. Don't try to fix that yourself, especially if it's something related to immigration or laws here. Consult an immigration lawyer. They know a lot of stuff. They can guide you to do the right thing to avoid problem. Thanks for watching.